Hello all. It's quite some time since we have met for a video class, right? And then there has been absolute paucity or what do I say, scarcity of activities for marketing. Normally, any subject for that matter, not just marketing, whatever subject is being taught at CT School of Management, we had some good time together understanding concepts in the form of activities. Now, in order to deal with the dearth of such activities, since we have more of classes happening in the online platform, we are just going to have an activity oriented video class. Now in this video class, I'm going to share with you an activity where, having listened to three different scenarios, and based on the three different scenarios that I'm about to share with you, we would be making an oral presentation for the same, or if not, you're also allowed to make a role play. Trust me, it is going to be real fun. So let me just give you a briefing on what needs to be done for this particular activity. So as I said initially, there are going to be three different scenarios, and based on three different scenarios, you will have to address two main aspects. One being, the first aspect being, what is the violation of right that is being spoken about in that particular scenario, that forms the central aspect of that particular scenario. Second one, you as a consumer, how do you address such violation of rights? So there are two aspects to be addressed. So are you all set? Are you all geared up to start with the activity? So scenario one. Scenario one is about you as a consumer who happen to go to a shopkeeper who's running a shop in your neighborhood and then have purchased a sanitizer. You come back home, and then once you check the bill, you realize you have been charged much above the MRP. And then you quickly return back to the shop and ask for a refund for the extra amount that has been taken from you. And the shopkeeper bluntly replies, there has been absolute shortage of sanitizers, and I'm sure you're aware of it, and I've given you this particular sanitizer from the limited stock I had in my shop, and for this reason I have been charging an extra amount for every sanitizer that is being sold. So nothing can be done about it. So how do you address this? What is a violation of right, and how do you address this particular problem? Next, shall we move on to scenario two? Right. So scenario two is about a farm in your neighborhood once again, and you as a consumer realize this particular farm is an export oriented farm, and where goats are being reared. And what you come to know about this particular farm is that nothing right is happening in this particular farm, and the kind of inhumane conditions or inhumane condition these animals are being subjected to in the farm, including some injections which are given, which are hormone injections, in order to ensure these goats would, irrespective of the age, would add on to the size, so that it can be easily processed for better profitability. And you also have come to know, when the goats are being transported from the farm to the processing unit in order to be converted into processed meat, more animals are taken in a single truck, which leads to a lot of congestion within the truck, and they these poor things find it even difficult to breathe. And you as a consumer would like to address this. So what do you do about it? What violation of right are we talking about? So that's scenario two. Now, are you all set for the last scenario? Scenario three. Now this is an era of online marketing, last mile delivery, and you happen to see an creative, a very attractive advertisement in the online platform, where you found out that as a part of a combo offer, there could be 5 sets of kids wear that could be purchased at a substantially reduced price. It was a flat 50% offer, flat 50% off offer, and then you get interested in it, and then it was clearly mentioned in the advertisement, this 5 sets, kit set, which includes a top and a pajama, would be of different colors, and it is going to be of different pattern. And it was also mentioned, it is not refundable. Once the product is booked for, it cannot be refunded. The money will not be refunded, nor can it be exchanged. It was clearly mentioned, because it is part of the combo offer. The product reaches you on time, And then to your disappointment, you understand all the five sets were exactly the same in color and exactly the same in pattern, just opposite to what they had claimed in the advertisement. So you post a complaint to the concerned party stating that you have got the same similar sets, and they tell you this was part of an offer and there were limited stocks, so nothing can be done about it. Now what do you do about it? What violation of right are you talking about, and how do you address this particular issue as a consumer? So let me remind you, for this activity there are three scenarios. You are either allowed to address these two aspects in the form of an oral presentation for the three different scenarios, or if not, come up with a role play as well. Now how do you do the role play? I'm sure you've tried role play there back at CET School of Management along with your friends. So this is an opportunity for you to try a role play along with your family members, including your siblings, parents, or maybe everyone in the family is included, and you can do a role play. You may go for a combination, maybe one scenario one you go for an oral presentation, scenario 3 you're going for a role play. You can go for a combination of role plays and oral presentation, or you can strictly confine to role play, or you can strictly confine to oral presentation. Now, I'll be looking forward to the first 10 video clippings that will reach me through my WhatsApp number. I'm sure all of you have my WhatsApp number with you. And then the first 10 entries would be considered, and the best 3 entries would be selected as winners for this particular activity. I promise you amazing prizes awaits the winners of this activity. So have a great weekend. Get back to me at the earliest in the form of a video clipping that is shared in my WhatsApp number. Looking forward to it. Have a great week ahead. Thank you.